everybody understands the principle of balance. And that is exactly what the Tai Chi principle is. But the only problem is, when you conceive of a balance, it's like a static image. You know, two things that are weighted and it's like stuff, right? The Tai Chi, the whole principle of Tai Chi, the whole idea of Tai Chi is that once the movement stops, there is no more Tai Chi. So you have to keep things moving. In other words, we might create a balance point, but as soon as we just stop and hold this balance, we're no longer moving, we're no longer doing anything, we're no longer changing. So Tai Chi is all about the principle of change based on the Tai Chi principle. Just think, every time you're supposed to picture a Taiji, you could equivalently picture a balance, and you're just creating a balance. But we have 3 dimensions. It has to balance in a whole bunch of different ways.